Welcome to our video about the shoebill bird, a fascinating species found in the wetlands of East Africa. Today we'll be learning about their appearance, diet, behavior, and conservation status. One of the most striking features of the shoebill bird is its massive, shoe-shaped bill. The bird's feathers are a bluish-gray color, with darker feathers on its wings and tail. They can grow up to 4 feet tall and have a wingspan of up to 8 feet. Their diet primarily consists of fish, and occasionally eat reptiles and small mammals. They use their powerful bill to grab and kill their prey, and are known for standing motionless in shallow water and waiting for fish to swim by. They will occasionally gather in small groups. Even though they like to be by themselves, they are mostly active during the day, but have been known to hunt at night as well. When threatened or disturbed, they can emit a loud, deep croaking noise. Unfortunately, the shoebill bird is now an endangered species, with a population of only a few thousand individuals. Its wetland habitat is under threat from human development, and the bird is also hunted for its meat and feathers. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the shoebill bird and its habitat. We hope you enjoyed learning about the shoebill bird and its unique characteristics. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about fascinating animals and wildlife conservation.